All right, here's the second video from the week 21 test, and this is also the second video for concept 21B. This is a concept where we are doing application problems around area of circles. So, Jack's back lawn is a rectangle with an area of 360 square feet. Well, the thing we know about area of a rectangle is that the area of a rectangle is the length times the width. Now this formula, area equals pi r squared, that's area of a circle. For a rectangle, it's length times width. He bought a circular above ground pool with a diameter, the width of the lawn, diagram below. Find the area of the above ground pool. So again, to find the area of the above ground pool, we are using the formula area is equal to pi r squared. You might think, why does he write it down so many times? The more you write it down, the more you're going to remember it, and the better you remember it, the easier it is to use. So we need to find this width. That's really our first step. Well, here's what we know. We know that the area of that rectangle is length times width. In this case, we know that the area of that rectangle is 360 square feet. We know that the length is 30 square feet, so it's 30 times the width, or 360 equals 30W. And we're going to solve for W. And the way we do that is we divide each side by the coefficient. Notice how all these skills we've been learning throughout the year are coming together. 360 divided by 30 is 12, and that equals W. Here's our big 1. That idea doesn't change. 30 over 30, big 1. And we know the width is 12. So this part is, let me get a different color up there, this part is 12, which means that the diameter of this circle is 12, and we know the diameter is the width of the lawn, so 12 and 12. Area, we need the radius of that circle. Well, if the diameter of a circle is 12, its radius is half of that. Its radius is 6. So we're ready to do this problem now. We have 3.14 times 6 squared, which is 3.14 times 36. Let me grab my calculator here. Remember, we're using the tools that we're given. So we have 3.14 times 36 gives us 113.04. 113.04. This is all in feet, so that would be squared feet. Let's put the calculator away for a minute. Second question. Oh, let's put our 113 right here. 113.04 squared feet. Second question. Find the area of the lawn once the pool is in place. Well, we already know the starting area of the lawn. It was 360 squared feet. We know the area of the pool. It is 113.04 squared feet. This is a subtraction problem. We had the original rectangle. We put the pool on top of it. It covered some of it up. If it's covering some of it up, that means it's taking away lawn, which makes it a subtraction problem. And the answer is 246.96 squared feet. So 246.96. So that's your work for question number 2. Again, match your test up against this. Look at the steps. If you didn't get it correct, figure out what you missed, what you need to do differently next time, and then plan on doing that when we take the week 22 test. All right, great. If you have additional questions, please be sure you bring them to class.